For this simple vegan panna cotta recipe, you will need 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. You will also need another type of plant-based milk such as oat milk or almond milk. You'll need some cornstarch, some sugar, and vanilla extract. I will put all of the measurements in the description down below for you. And for the strawberry sauce, you can use fresh or frozen strawberries. Start by warming up your coconut milk in a small saucepan over medium heat. Now add a 1/4 cup of organic sugar and stir to dissolve the sugar. Next, you'll need 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch and combine it with 1 cup of your plant-based milk. I find it helps to start with a little bit of the milk at a time and whisking it together to get rid of all the clumps, and then you can add the rest of your plant-based milk. Add your cornstarch and milk mixture to the coconut milk and sugar and warm that up over medium heat. You're going to want to whisk it fairly often for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes nice and thick. You can see after several minutes the mixture will start to bubble up and thicken. And this is more or less the consistency that you are looking for. Take it off the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Once it's cooled slightly, go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and stir to combine. Now you'll want to divide your custardy mixture into about 8 servings. I used a muffin tin here, but you can also use really small bowls if you've got them. Tap to release any air bubbles and put this in the fridge to set for at least 4 hours. Meanwhile, we are going to make our strawberry sauce, starting with 2 cups of fresh or frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Go ahead and bring that to a boil and keep it stirring until the berries get nice and soft and some of the water has reduced. Transfer this mixture to a blender and puree until smooth. Now you'll bring it back to the saucepan and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch that has been mixed with a little splash of water, and just stir that in and warm it back up over medium heat until the sauce thickens slightly. You can then transfer this to a small container and cool it in the fridge. The panna cotta wasn't quite firm enough just from going in the fridge, so I put mine in the freezer for another 1/2 hour. Then I used a small silicone spatula to carefully turn these out onto a plate, and voila! The texture of this panna cotta was so smooth and custardy, and the strawberry sauce was a really nice addition. I definitely recommend some fresh strawberries on top too. Show some love by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I share new videos every Sunday. Have a happy Valentine's Day. Bye.